Hidden gems for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So see, there are many chapters in chemistry that you must be thinking that are not important or is not valuable in the field of engineering, but are actually important. So I call these the hidden gems, and let's see what are those hidden gems for chemistry in JEE Mains and Advanced examination. So these are the 4 chapters that I will definitely call the hidden gems: biomolecules, chemistry in everyday life, environmental chemistry, and polymers. These contain some terminologies, words, and many other things that are constantly being asked in the previous attempts of JEE Mains. There had been questions from all these 4 chapters or from 3 chapters among these 4 chapters, and in year like the last year there had been 2 questions from 1 chapter like biomolecules. So this shows that it is very important to learn all these 4 chapters. Source, as you know, is NCERT textbook, and reading the NCERT thoroughly and making your own short notes and underlining the important terminologies, words and all. Like I can give you an example. In the chapter biomolecules, there is a table called vitamins, the deficiency of vitamins and the source of vitamins. From that table there have been lots of questions that is being asked. So in the future also you can expect questions from these chapters, because it is a trend that NTA is actually showing us. So from these hidden gems you can expect at an average a mark of 20. So 20 marks from 4 chapters are worth studying, and studying this properly will only take 1 day if you properly study about 6 hours a day and underlining all these terminologies and revise it every day, every week and every month. You will easily score 20 and maximum up to 25 and maybe 30 in this year. Who knows? These chapters are shown a graph of increasing their importance year after year. So at least you can expect a 10 to 15 marks for sure from these chapters. So never skip these chapters. These are very, very important. And maybe I can tell you, since it is less time consuming and more mark consuming, it is must study chapters. This is VVI, or very, very important. I can give you as many stars as I can, because that these are so important. So never skip these chapters. All the best for your examination.